Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Alright, sige. So medyo yung question pa lang, ano nyo to, review nyo na to, wag nyo kakalimutan to. In 1889, so it was in 1889, an anthropologist named Paul Chopinard, and introduced the term criminology. Actually, yung spelling niya is criminology, I-E, no? Hindi criminology, because it's a French term. And he was the one who introduced, or he was the one actually who coined the word criminology. Yung iba siguro sa inyo, ang akala nyo si Rafael Garofalo, yung criminologia naman yun sa kanya, GIA. Wait lang. I-chat ko dun sa comment section, no? Kung ano yung spelling. Criminologia. Yan. So yung criminologia, it was actually Rafael Garofalo. Yan. Pero yung criminology, na in-adopt na natin ngayon, diba? The study of crimes, criminal, si Paul Chopinard. And he derived that word from the Latin word crimen, and crimen means what? Yun yung tanong, diba, sa question na to. He derived it from the Latin word crimen, and what does crimen means? Does it mean offense? Does it mean sin? Does it mean violation? Does it mean delinquency? So the correct answer here is offense. So the Latin word crimen, when you translate it to English, it means offense. Ito yung either mali ka, alam mo, or hindi. So yan. At least ngayon, kung natanong to sa board exam, alam nyo na. Diba? The correct answer is offense. So don't be sad or don't be disheartened kung hindi mo alam ang sagot. Kaya nga tayo nagre-review, diba? And para prepare, pag sa board exam, natanong to, mani na sa inyo. Diba? Right, next. Criminology covers the following except. Diba? So sa criminology, we cover the making of laws. Paggawa ng batas, that's correct. Pag-violate ng batas, that's breaking of laws. And, of course, penology, the reaction towards the breaking of laws. So A, B, and D are all covered in criminology. So ang hindi covered ay interpreting of the law. Parang ano na yun, no? Trabaho na yun ng mga judges, ng mga justices. No? So parang lawyers na yung gumagawa niyan. In the sense that they're the one who interprets yung mga batas whenever they adjudicate yung mga cases na hinahandle nila, di ba? Alright, sige. Sige, let's proceed with question number 9. Tama ba? Number 9 na ba tayo? Ayan, number 9. Which among the following is the reason why criminology is considered an applied science? So there are different natures of criminology, no? It is an applied science. It's a social science, di ba? It's dynamic. It's nationalistic. So those are the 4 natures of criminology. So alin daw dito yung reason why it's an applied science? The correct answer here, let's just be straightforward, no? The correct answer here is letter... Nga, what's your answer? Comment nyo privately. Send me a private message. Okay, may mga sumagot na. Alright. Yeah, so the correct answer is letter A. Yan, very good. So yung mga sumagot ng letter A dyan, congratulations. It's an applied science because anthropology, psychology, sociology, and natural sciences are utilized or for a better term, are applied in the study of the causes of crime. So why do people commit crime? We apply disciplines like anthropology, psychology, sociology to come up with explanations, or natural sciences, probably chemistry, biology, diba, on why people commit crime. Letter B is an explanation on why criminology is a social science. Kasi, diba, crime exists in the society. We say that crime is a creation of society. So if you want to study crime, you have to study the society. You have to study the social environment. So kung gusto mong malaman bakit pinakamaraming krimen sa mga highly urbanized area, like for example, Metro Manila, yung mga Manila, di ba? Bakit maraming krimen sa Cebu, for example? You have to immerse yourself. You have to study that society, diba? Yung society sa mga cities na yun. Criminology changes as social constitutions changes. That's dynamic, di ba? The criminology is dynamic. Kasi yung pag-aaral ng criminology in the 18th century, nag-iba, iba na, nag-develop na siya noong 19th century, noong 20th century, and ngayon na 21st century na. Di ba? So, why? Because society also changed, di ba? The way criminals commit crime is different right now. Dati, when you commit rape, di ba? It's just, paano ba mag-commit ng rape before? Anyone who wants to take a video and share it? Wala. So how do you commit rape? Before, di ba? Rape is defined as having carnal knowledge with the person. You know, when the manhood of a man is inserted to the womanhood of a woman, then that's rape. Pero ngayon, we know that there are already different ways to commit rape, diba? So, when you insert your hands or diba, to any orifice, diba, of a woman, then that could already be considered rape. Diba? So, technological advancement, diba? So, before, when you steal, you do it physically. You steal the personal property of another person. Pero ngayon, you can stay in your house and still be able to steal something from another person, di ba? Like, mga credit card fraud na tinatawag natin, mga ganun. So the way we study criminology is now different because society, and it will keep on evolving, it will keep on changing because we are also changing. The society is already also changing. So letter D, the study of crime must be conformed to the existing criminal law of the land. Yeah. Ang tawag doon is criminology is nationalistic. Nation, diba? From the root word nation. Because the criminology is the study of crime or criminal law, crime, and different places will have different crimes. Diba? So the study of criminology is also different from nation to nation. For example, in other countries, abortion is legal. Diba? So expelling the fetus from the womb of the mom is abortion. That's illegal in the Philippines. In other countries, it's allowed. They even have clinics where the woman is assisted to expel the fetus from from the womb of the mom. In the United States, abortion is legal. In places like China, it's legal. In the Philippines, diba, the use of drugs is illegal. Diba? It's prohibited. We have RA 9165, the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act, diba, that punishes it. In other countries, it's not legal, it's not also illegal. In the United States, we could say that, well, in the US, it's legal. It's still illegal generally, but in some states, diba, ang US ay maraming states, it's not legal. No, there are some states that legalize it. The first state that legalized it is Colorado. But in some states like New York, it's not legal, it's not also illegal. Kumbaga wala na lang silang pakialam. Diba? It's deregulated. Ano ba? It's not legal, it's not illegal. Wala na lang silang pakialam. So may makikita ko doon ng mga, you oftentimes see in New York City, for example, yung mga bosses na nagbebenta ng marijuana. Parang ganon. Sorry, I'm only talking about marijuana there. Yung sinabi kong illegal shop. Other more dangerous drugs are still illegal in the US. So yeah, the study of crime depends on which country you are or which jurisdiction you are. So criminology will also depend on which place you are. And also, diba, society is also different. Why people commit crime in the Philippines is different from why people commit crime in the US. So ang tawag doon is nationalistic. That's the nature of criminology. It's nationalistic. It depends on where you are, in what nation, in which locality, jurisdiction you are located.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!